So definitely we are going to quickly analyze this market in front of me. This is USDCHF. USDCHF. That is the pair in front of me right now, you know. And everything we're going to do is to go through a quick analysis, because we can see we are on the 15-minute time frame, and we have seen that this pair is not going to wait for us, you know. I just got back home now and I stumbled upon this, so I feel, man, I will never let this escape. Since I can see it, then there's no need for it to escape. They said this is going to be going down, okay? And I've seen it. I've taken a critical look at it, and I've seen it. It's been going down. Whatever is going to a direction, it must have been going there, okay? This is the white line we have put to calculate it, our down movement. And then we have seen the, you know, we have seen the MACD. You know, the MACD is down below the zero line. Well, for my own MACD, it always change its own color. So with the color of this MACD, we use it to judge it. Red color below the zero line, yeah, we're going down, you know. And we can have some kind of oscillator right here. They are both pointing downwards and going down. So everything shows that we are going down. But then a lot of traders, you are a beginner. The reason why it's so hard for you to make it in Forex is when you don't do a good analysis and you don't even know exactly where to get out, where to exit, you know. This is the problem many people do have. Now, I put this green like an exit line, you know, yep, which is called the 0.93271. All right, that is my own exit, but we're gonna break it. We're gonna break it. This is a very long move, so we're gonna break it. But at least for some beginners that don't even know where to exit, at least 0.93271. Okay, and when you're planning a kind of stop loss, it's always going to be exactly the point where the price is turning away, okay, which is this high here in case of this one, okay, yeah, where the price turn around, that is your stop loss. You understand? So now the stop loss, I do make it a red color, man. You know, red color is good. At least you know that is a danger zone. You understand? So this is the video, okay? And everything we do, as we have seen this leg, the price under this white leg going down, everything we need now is any of our tool that can tell us to go and sell it, okay, based on any signal. Don't forget, I said we are going to break this take profit line. We are going to break it, okay? This is USDCHF. You know, this is December 5. You know, December 5, Monday, yep, Monday 2022. So if you are watching this by 2023 or 2024, this is a video of 2022. So, you know, check the description under this video. If you want to check out 1000 pips climber system, 1000 pip climber signal, you know, okay, so that you don't rely on anybody to get any signal, you know, or you want to be able to see the chart 36 pair at a glance without you scrolling your computer screen 24 hours every day, check the link under the video. We have Forex Trading for you. All right, so for the sake of this thing is not gonna wait for us, I will go and upload this video fast so that you can profit. At the time you'll be watching this video, even if you see it breaking this line, which is this take profit line, you know, 0.93, you know, 0.93371, okay, that is even exactly the best time to sell it, because at that point it will be breaking the low and going down. This is USDCHF 15-minute time frame. This is your boy Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard 666, signing off. Thank you.